Today I'll present my case study on real-world data communication and networking system, focusing on the online banking system of VDO Unibank in the Philippines. Online banking has become an essential service in modern society. Instead of visiting physical bank branches, customers can now check balances, transfer money, and pay bills using their mobile phones or computer. Behind this convenience is a complex networking infrastructure that ensures transactions are fast, reliable, and most importantly, secure. In this presentation, I will explain how data communication works in BDO online banking and why networking technologies are critical to its operation. Purpose of the system. The BDO online banking system was developed to improve banking accessibility and efficiency. Its main purpose include first, to 24/7 banking convenience so customers can transact anytime and anywhere. Second, to enable secure financial transactions over the internet. Third, to protect sensitive customer data such as account numbers and passwords. Fourth, to reduce reliance on physical bank branches, which help lower operational costs. And finally, to enhance transaction speed and overall service efficiency. This goal make networking reliability and security extremely important. How the system is used. Customers use the video online banking system through either the mobile app or the web browser. Common activities include viewing account balances and transaction history, transferring funds between accounts, paying utility bills and subscriptions, receiving real-time notification, downloading electronic account statements each time a user performs of this action. Data is transmitted between the user device and video service through the internet. This communication happens within seconds, but it involves multiple networking layers working together behind the scenes. User of the system. There are three main groups of users. Primary users are the bank customers who perform online transactions. Secondary users include bank employees and IT administrators who maintain and monitor the system. Indirect users include merchants and billers who receive payments through the platform. Each group interacts with the system differently, but all depend on secure and reliable data communication. Data being transmitted. Online banking transmits highly sensitive information. These include account numbers and customer identifiers, transaction data such as amount, recipient login, credential, and encrypted passwords, biometric authentication, data one-time password, or ETP personal and billing information. Because this data is very sensitive, strong encryption and secure protocol are required to prevent hacking, fraud, and data breaches. This is why banks invest heavily in cybersecurity and networking infrastructure. Network types used. The video online banking system uses several types of networks. First is the local area network or LAN. This connects computer and servers inside bank branches and data centers. Second is the wide area network or WAN. This links regional branches and central data centers across the country. Third is the internet, which allows customers to access the banking system of anywhere using mobile data or Wi-Fi. Together, this and network create a complete communication environment. OSI and TCP/IP models. To understand how data moves, we use network models. In the OSI model, the application layer is where the banking app operates. The transport layer using to ensure reliable delivery. The network layer uses IP to route data packets. Lower layers handle framing and physical transmission. In the TCP or IP model, the process is simplified into four layers: application, transport, internet, and network access. These models help engineers design secure and efficient communication systems. Protocol use. Several important protocols are used in online banking. HTTPS encrypts communication between the user and the server. TCP ensures the reliable and ordered data delivery. IP handles addressing and routing. SSL or TLS provides strong encryption and server authentication. SMTP is used to send email alerts and notifications. These protocols are work together to keep online banking secure and dependable. This protocol work together to keep online banking secure and dependable. Data flow process. Let us look what happens during a typical login. First, the user opens the video apps. Second, the app establishes a secure HTTP connection. Third, the login credentials are encrypted. Fourth, the TCP and IP transmit the data video servers. Fifth, the server authenticates the user, often using OTP. Finally, the server sends an encrypted confirmation back to the user. All of this usually happen in just a few seconds. Conclusion and main topic. In conclusion, the BDO online banking system is an excellent example of real-world data communication and networking. It shows how technologies like HTTPS, TCP, IP, and SSL TLS work together to protect sensitive financial data while providing fast, convenient services. This case study highlights that secure networking is the foundation of modern digital banking. Without strong data communication system, online banking would not be safe or reliable. As digital finance continues to grow, the importance of secure networking will become even greater.